Ever pondered the future of cryptocurrency? Is it a skyrocketing bull run or a tempered rise? If you're expecting a repeat of the last crypto boom, you might want to rethink your expectations. An intriguing perspective comes from Lars Seier Christensen, the founder of enterprise blockchain Concordium. In a recent interview with Cointelegraph, he offered some food for thought. Christensen paints a different picture of the next bull run, one that deviates from the explosive, overnight millionaire-making narrative. Yes, he believes in the potential of cryptocurrency, but he urges caution against expecting a repeat of the past. He asserts that the next crypto bull run will look nothing like the last one, a statement that may seem surprising to some, but when we delve deeper into his insights, it becomes evident that his perspective is grounded in reason. He argues that the crypto landscape has evolved significantly since the last boom. It's no longer an obscure, misunderstood technology. Today, it's a recognized asset class with institutional investors, regulations, and more mainstream acceptance. This maturity, according to Christensen, will temper the volatility. Gone are the days of wild price swings and overnight fortunes. Instead, expect a more gradual, sustainable growth trajectory. But wait, don't let this dampen your enthusiasm for crypto. Christensen emphasizes that this is not a bearish stance, it's a realistic one. In fact, he sees this as a sign of the crypto market's maturation, a positive change that reinforces its long-term viability. In conclusion, the future of cryptocurrency, as per Lars Seier Christensen, might not be a rocketing bull run, but a steady upward climb. It's a future where crypto gains are hard-earned and sustainable, not quick and fleeting. So as we step into this new era of crypto, it's crucial to adjust our expectations and strategies. The future might not be as flashy as the past, but it promises to be more stable, reliable, and ultimately rewarding.